Hi, Sophie. Firstly, thank you so much for taking out time and doing this with us. Firstly, I would like to congratulate you a lot for getting admitted into HEC and BA. That's one of the prestigious school out there, in the world. So, how are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling really great. It was one of my target schools, so getting admitted into that was a really good feeling. I'm really satisfied with my admit.
Sounds great. So, next, the first question that I have, for you is how has been your journey and your overall experience working with MIMSA?
So once I got my GMAT score, I was looking for a few consultants who can help me with my application. I saw reviews of many consultants, and MIMSA was something that kept popping up. So I spoke with you guys. I was convinced, and I joined you. You helped me with initially in profile as well, as I had joined really early, I think in January.
Right.
So you guys helped me with my profile as well and told me what I should improve. So that helped me. And during the application process, MIMSA helped work really responsive. They even you guys even helped me over weekends when I'm not responding according to my time schedule, my working schedule. Accommodated me whether I had meetings at night 11 as well, because that was when I was free. And the consultant that helped me, Krishanu, he himself is a HEC grad, so that he provided me insights during the application, which were very valuable, especially during the interview phase, that what should be told to the interviewer so that they are convinced or they consider you as a candidate. So
Right.
it was very helpful.
Correct. You mentioned about your consultant. There was also an in-house counselor who was helping you out in the process. Editor as well who's helping you out with the edit.
Yeah,
So
correct.
individually added into, help you out
Yeah,
for your application. So my next
true.
question revolves around them itself, that how exactly they on individual level added value to your application.
So I would say primarily the essays, the initial profile. I don't remember exactly what was it called. The basic details were taken from me.
Correct.
That was, and further it was refined. So basically, it helped me clarify my own story, what I want to present in my MBA application. That one step helped me in each and every college application, because more or less we have to present the same thing.
Right.
So that initial exercise and further refining each and every point during essay review and my LOR review, that helped me build my story, basically introspect on my journey so that I can present it during my application as well.
That sounds lovely. So, like even
Mm.
you mentioned, there was consultant involvement, there was this initial sheet, draft you were working
Mm.
on. So, there were a lot of services that were already involved into the process, maybe it
Yeah.
application related, post application related. If you talk about the essays, everything, right? And the profile building, which you talked about in the very beginning, that how eventually are basic tips
Mm.
that you can enhance your profile overall. So, if you have to choose one thing particularly out of all the services that were being provided to you from the start to the end, and if I ask you this question that you have to pick one out of all of it which you like the most, so which service would that be for you?
I would say before we start the application, I have to fill an analysis sheet.
Correct.
Right. That was a service which, and it was further refined. So
Mhm.
that helped me be prepared to write the essays,
Yeah.
right? Helped me be prepared to write LORs in my resume building as well, and it at the end in my interview as well, because that is something. It is a very detailed sheet which covers almost every aspect of an MBA application. So that is one service I would say is the best. I would also say that YMSA means you guys have been very helpful. After my six colleges were done, I had taken a six college package. It was done. I received my interview call from. I decided to apply to ISB as well,
Mhm.
which was not part of my six colleges. But you guys helped me out in that as well. You helped me with the essays. You helped me with the interview prep as well.
Right.
So I would say you went above and beyond for my MBA applications as well.
So glad to hear that. So,
Yeah.
the last question that I have for you, what advice will you give to the people who are just starting with their study abroad journey? Because almost a year ago, you were on the very same spot as they are as of now. So, any tips and tricks you have to provide it to them? Also, would you go ahead and advise them to go ahead and try MIMSA to help them?
I would definitely do that. I have actually referred a couple of my friends to MIMSA already, so that they are also starting either to do for an MIM or an MBA. They were confused about that. They had 1 2 years of experience. They were also confused as to which consultant will be the best to help me.
Mhm.
I have referred a couple of them to you guys. I would definitely encourage everybody to once, yeah, at least once, check you out before
Right.
deciding.
Thank you so so much. This is all from my end. It was lovely to know that you had a wonderful experience, and definitely at any point in time in future as well, if you feel like we can be any help to you for any specific part of your process, even after it, we will be more than happy to help and provide you all the additional help and support needed. So once again, thank you so much for your time and all the very best for your future endeavors. And once again, congratulations on your admit. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, Achal.